Hey guys, and welcome back to a brand new video. And today we're going to be doing a quick unboxing of the Sony SRS-XB01 Bluetooth speaker. Now this is one of Sony's cheapest speakers, and we actually got it for a really good deal at $13. And that's 13 New Zealand, by the way, so when you're in United States, that probably would be like $7, so that's a really good deal. So let's take a look at the back of the packaging. So it has IPX5 water resistance, so that means it'll be pretty good against rain and just basic splashes. So it'll be a good speaker when you're at the pool having a party or something. I don't know. It's got speakerphone, so you can do voice calls on it. Long battery life apparently, even though it's only 6 hours, but I guess it's fine. And micro USB charging. Alright, so let's get into the packaging. Oh. Okay. Ah, well that works. Okay. So, we got this, all the paperwork, and get rid of that, a piece of cardboard, and here we are. So, here's the speaker, we'll get to that in a second, and here is your micro USB charging cable, and your lanyard to go on the side of your speaker. And we can put that to the side, over there, and let's take a look at the speaker. It actually feels relatively decent. It feels like it kind of has the same textured plastic as the 550, so underneath this flap you've got your 3.5mm connector for connecting hardline audio, so if you don't want to use Bluetooth for whatever reason, or if you run out of battery, you can use that to listen to music via a cable. And you've also got micro USB there so you can charge it. So that's all watertight. And you've got your buttons up here, so you've got volume up, volume down, power, and your play and pause button. Yeah, it actually feels pretty good. It's a nice little speaker. For $7, this is actually really good. And there's the micro USB charging, and there's the lanyard, so let's just have a look at that. It looks similar to the one that comes with the Sony camera that I reviewed a few months ago. By the way, this was my most popular video on the channel now, so that's pretty cool. Yeah, it feels about the same, so you can... There's a little loop here, so you can swap the lanyard through if that's something you want to do. And that's pretty much it for the unboxing. So that's going to be it for today's video. If you guys did enjoy, remember to hit the thumbs up button, subscribe to the channel. We'll catch you for more unboxings like this, game reviews, lots of stuff coming. Catch you guys later. Goodbye.